There's a red kite in a dead tree in the park, like something straight out of French New Wave movie. There's a mother with a toddler in her arms. She's wondering how she's gonna raise that baby. Doctors spelled out all their medical jargon. Aggressive retinal degeneration. She stares at that kite while the words ring in her head. I'm sorry, man, your son will never see again. She points a finger at that kite stuck in that tree. She says, baby, come on, baby, can't you see? See how high it is, how bright it is, how it shines against the sky. Can you see it if you try? But he says, I can't see it, darling. She says, follow the sound of my voice. I'm right here. Follow the sound of my voice. Dry your tears. I'm right here, right here. There's an acne-covered teenage terror, upstate New York's blind piano prodigy. All the kids call him the next Ray Charles, and he plays in a band with his little brother. His brother guides him by the shoulder through these loud, crowded venues, trying to steer that drunken ship through the night. It hurts a little more each time he watches his big brother try to find his own way up on that stage. He says, I can help you, let me help you. Follow the sound of my voice. I'm right here. Follow the sound of my voice. Dry your tears. I'm right here, right here. Like I am stumbling in the dark, and I get lost inside this great big world. When I feel like I'm invisible, like nobody cares, you're always there. Say, I can see you, I can see. Follow the sound of my voice.